Here there is this one is thalamus. The thalamus, the posterior most part, this is called by the pulvina. This is called by the pulvina. Pulvina. So here what happens, you see, this is the fold of the, and it is a fold of the pia mater. It is coming like this, and from the splenium, this part is a splenium, and this pia mater, this is the pia mater that is covering the splenium, and it takes a fold and it goes like this, and it goes like this, and the posterior in the pulvinar area, and also here there is a pia mater that is coming like this, and it is forming the double layer, and this double layer, it is called by the telapodia. It is called by the telapodia. So here what happens? One fold of this pia mater that is coming, that is covering this splenium. It is coming from like this, and it is covering the splenium, and it goes towards the anterior side, and another fold of this pia mater that is covering the posterior surface of this thalamus in the pulvinar area, and these two, and they forms a fold like structure, and this is called by the telapodia. Mean in the posterior end of the posterior end that is called by the splenium. The splenium, it is related with the telapodia and the pulvina, telapodia and the pulvina. And here there is one sinus, and this is forming here, and it is coming out like this, and it is called by the great cerebral sinus. It is called by the great cerebral sinus, and next it ends into the straight sinus. It helps in the formation of the straight sinus. It helps in the formation of the straight sinus. So here what happens? And the splenium, and it hangs over the pulvinar and this telapodia and this great cerebral sinus. These things are related with the splenium. So here what happens? There is in this region, and there is penile body is there. It is a penile gland, and it is also related with this in the splenium. So another here in the anterior side, and this one is a genome, and this one is a rostrum. So this rostrum, and it forms the floor of the lateral ventricle, and it is bending here, and it forms the lateral ventricle. So in between this cortex and this rostrum, and here, and there is a anterior commissure is there. This one is called by the anterior commissure, and it is called by the anterior commissure. Anterior commissure, and it connects the anterior most part of the temporal lobe. Mean anterior most part of the temporal lobe are connected by the anterior commissure, and below this, at this region, and here there is a foramen maunru is there. This is called by the foramen maunru, or otherwise it is called by the interventricular foramen. So through the interventricular foramen and the cerebrospinal fluid, it moves into the third ventricle. So third ventricle is situated at this region. The third ventricle, it is situated at this region, and here there is a and it is a optic chiasma. It is a optic chiasma, and this one is a mammillary body. It's a pulvinar, and here this one is a midbrain, and here starts the fourth ventricle. Fourth ventricle is situated in this region, midbrain, and here, and it is related with here the mammillary body is there, and in this region there is a posterior perforated substance is there. Posterior perforated substance. So here what I have to say here, and this rostrum, and it forms the floor of the lateral ventricle, and the roof of the lateral ventricle, it is formed by this inferior surface of the corpus callosum, and the floor here, it is formed by the anterior side, and it is formed by this rostrum, and here there is a close. So here, and there is the posterior end, and when the splenium, and it hangs over the greater cerebral vein, and the telacordia, and the inner body, and the pulvinar part of this thalamus, and below this, and in this region, and there is a mammillary body, and posterior to that there is a posterior perforated substance. Posterior perforated substance is there. Posterior perforated substance. And here another one. So this genu is there. It's a rostrum. And next is a genu. So genu part. And you know about this lateral ventricles. And the lateral ventricle, this is the superior, this is a posterior, and this one is a inferior. This is a lateral ventricle. and the lateral ventricle, and this one is a anterior horn, anterior horn. So this anterior horn, it is situated here. Here there is a anterior horn, here there is a inferior horn, and at this region there is a posterior horn is there. So this superior in front of the anterior horn, at this region there is a anterior horn, inferior horn, and the posterior horn. In front of the anterior horn, and here there is a, this one is a part of the genome. So then what happens, and the anterior to the anterior horn of the lateral ventricle, this is the lateral ventricle. Lateral ventricle, it has a anterior horn, inferior horn, and the posterior horn. And the posterior horn, anterior, and the inferior horn. So here in the anterior horn of the superior one, and here in front of this, and there is a this genome part of the raptus collagen is there.